Withdraw funds, you go to Co-op Wallet. I'm at Co-op Wallet right now. You go to withdraw funds. So now I get to set up my Google Authenticator. Now, everybody, this is so easy. Don't be afraid. It takes 1 minute to download Google Authenticator. When you log in, it looks like that. Right? So now watch this. I'm going to start this process right now. Set up now. I open up my Google Authenticator. Just like that, it's done. Just like that. It took a second. And now you put in your Google code, which protects your assets. And you should set this up sooner rather than later, because if somebody happens to get into your account, they can't steal your money because they don't have the Google Authenticator, because you need your phone. So make sure you set up that Google Authenticator right away, and make sure you change your password to protect the money that's in your account. Now, check it out. So you saw how easy that was. You're going to withdraw on the Ethereum chain. You're going to withdraw either USDC or USDT in this particular case. Here in Toronto, Ontario, I can't withdraw or access USDT and deposit to a crypto exchange that I have in Canada. I can use USDC, but I can't use USDT. But if I go to British Columbia, which is another province, I can use whatever I want. So make sure you check whether it's USDC or USDT and use the one that works best for you. You're going to withdraw USDC. When you have a third-party wallet, whether it be with Coinbase or Kraken or Crypto.com or whatever it is, because there's so many right now, you can't even name them all. You'll go there and you'll get a deposit address for USDC. All right. You put your address in here. That's not a real address. You put the amount that you want to withdraw, say $500, and it'll withdraw to that address. I'm not going to click on the withdraw, but that's all you need to do. I'll show you once again, going right from the beginning. I'm going to refresh my screen. So the first thing you need to do is you need to put in your Google Authenticator. And when you have Google Authenticator, it changes every few seconds, takes you to your wallet. You choose what you want to withdraw, USDC, put your address in there, put the amount in there, click withdraw, boom, it's done. It's going to be about $7 to withdraw. Those aren't fees by us. The fees to withdraw by Co-op Wallet is only 1.5%, but it'll be $7 for the gas fees. So beware of that as well. I always tell people, because of the third-party fees, you want to have at least $50 before you do a withdrawal, just to mitigate the fees. Did you guys notice that there's a hold? We hold funds for you so that we can automatically renew you on the C12, on the C28, and the C280. So it automatically holds about $325. It is your money, and you can turn it off if you choose to and withdraw it. But if you do that and you don't make enough money when it's time to renew, then you got to reach into your pocket and send money back to you. So it's better to leave the auto renew, auto upgrade turned on, because that ensures that you never miss a payday. And speaking about never missing a payday, I'm going to use an example that I've used often. I'm going to use the golden goose that laid the golden eggs to help you understand why you want to leave your auto renew and auto upgrade on. So most of us have heard about the goose that lays the golden egg. The farmer goes into his barn one day, goes to get the egg to take to market, and all of a sudden, this particular goose laid a golden egg. So he reaches down, he sees this is a golden egg, he looks at it, he does that, he bites it, takes it to the gold shop, sure enough, it's a golden egg, and he sells it for money. Next day, much to his surprise again, another golden egg. He takes it, he sells it. So this goes on for, several months. So he's received lots of money now. But, we can always use more money, like you want it to keep coming in. So anyways, one day he walks into the barn and he looks at this goose, and he looks at that goose and he thinks, that goose is going to taste pretty good on my kitchen table. boom, off with the head, eats the goose for dinner. Next day he goes back, looks for the golden egg. It isn't there anymore because he cut off the head of the goose and the gold that laid the golden eggs. So now you've got no more golden eggs. The same thing will happen here. If you turn off your auto renew, you won't be renewed, and it means you can't receive royalties anymore. And even if you have $1,000 in your wallet, if you turn off the auto renew, it's the system saying, no, this person doesn't want any more golden eggs, so it's not going to renew you. So I highly recommend that you don't turn it off. You know, if you turn it off and you withdraw your funds, you might give up, you might forget, you might say it's too much trouble. You might come up with 100 excuses not to repopulate your wallet so that you can renew. And think about how much you're going to miss out over the days, the weeks, the months, the years to come. So hopefully that explains why you don't want to turn off your auto renew, because this is really your goose that lays the golden eggs.